Ask me anything. Well, I love what I'm doing right now, so I intend to continue doing exactly the same. I can tell you the trend from the past 3 years is that there is more and more demand from my clients to do trainings rather than to do consulting projects, which is interesting. Typically, so I used to train the McKinsey consultants and the McKinsey managers and junior partners on the same things. When I was with McKinsey, I'd spend probably 1 month a year doing trainings. Then when I broke off and I was independent, I'd do maybe 6 weeks. But over the past 3 years, it's been maybe 3 to 4 months of my year goes into trainings.